What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Just finishing up my let's see, somebody parked outside and it's a dude across the street. I don't know who the hell that is. Alright, but yeah, so I'm just finishing up the splitter. Just cut it. I still have to trace and cut that one. I'm going to be using the Dremel to just clean up the edges and just making sure, you know, everything is not squared up here like here. Just round it off, trim it, and just get everything all nice and trimmed. And then reshape everything here to make everything even. And then should be good. So let me go ahead and get the Dremel out and start cleaning up, and I'll see you guys after I'm done and show you guys before and after. Alright, so I used the Dremel to shape the edges, and then I found this file. I'm watching some Mike on my cell phone. I used this big ass file to kind of clean up the edges. This needs to drop more. The bottom one needs to drop a little bit more. So I got to work on that. As you can look, this isn't straight. It kind of has that edge here, but I'm totally okay. Just I want to clean this one up right here. Other than that, I'm happy. This is good enough for me. But to give you guys an idea, it's have this edge touch that, leave a gap here, and then this one here will basically sit on the side of the splitter like that. So what I'm doing is running a rod from here into the bumper, and then I'll get 2 L brackets for the bottom to mount those, and then that'll be the, you know, give it support to the side. So it'll be something like this. So very aggressive, and like I said, I'm going for the time attack look, and of course I want to run time attack. So and I really like to get into that grid life. So this is the build for, you know, the splitter part for the aerodynamics, strengthening the inside, putting my canards on the side of the splitter, and then putting the rods onto the bumper, and it'll be and it should be fine after that. So basically, I'll put it to. Actually, let me set up this bumper. Alright, so for this is the EG8 4-door bumper. This will be the Canard. It literally will sit on the side of here, which the splitter will be, you know, on the bottom, of course. So something like this. And the top rod will go from here to the bumper. So 3 mounting points to give it to look like that on the side of the bumper. So very aggressive. So something I've been wanting to do for the past 2 years, finally doing it. Watching videos from Subbirdie to learning how to work with ABS and how to do splitters. So, but something I wanted to do, really never showed anyone, except I think I only showed Randy my design and idea. And now I'm actually putting it on and making it happen. So that's how it is. So I got this one traced out. Gonna go ahead and cut this one and then mimic that, and then L bracket on, so at least you guys have an idea what it looks like. So, or hopefully I can, because I gotta set it all up and bolt it first to the underneath the car. So I might not be able to actually bolt it on, because I don't know for sure exactly where to mount it. I don't want to put holes that don't need to be there. So, but yeah, so let me get this going, and then I'll show you guys the end, the final end of it. All right. So I'm not sure what happened. I lost whole footage. So I'm gonna turn on these lights. But I'm done with the Canards. So I am going to be touching them up a bit though, because there's some things that I see that bug me. So like I want to clean this up here, even though they're going to get messed up from racing, but like I said, this part here, I want to shave this all down and go away across. So just clean up a little bit. This is the splitter. So got to get the L brackets to mount it. So I'm very happy with it. I'm just gonna use a giant file and just file everything down until it gets to exactly how I want it. So yeah, I end up in the video they got then got corrupted or something. I wasn't feeling good. I ended up checking my blood sugar, and it was like at 260, 259, and that's why I wasn't feeling right. So then I end up taking the dog for a walk, and then I come back from walking. It was like a mile walk. Came back, and then I end up showing a video of checking my blood sugar, and it dropped down 75 more, so it was like at 170 something. So at least, like I said, just as long as I stay active, keep losing weight. Like I said, I lost a total of 48 pounds. I don't see it, but my clothes, it's baggy now, and less weight off my back. So just gotta stay active, keep at it. Making chicken, so boiled it, seasoned it, and then using the air fryer. So gonna have chicken tonight, no rice, so just trying to be good. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Sorry for the lost footage. I'm gonna go ahead and play with these tonight, and then go hunt down the L brackets, because I know I might have some like these, but I want to get the ones that are pretty half this size. So I'll go in the garage and find those tomorrow, and gotta watch out for the black widows. But yeah, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
You ever had a dream that you could